Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the eFootball game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the eFootball game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, just navigate to Extras at the top section. Now enter the Game Settings menu and then go into Controller. You can now choose the configuration of up to 8 controllers. Just choose your desired controller, go into any of the configuration for your joystick to change your button presets. Press X to cycle between the various presets between standard and alternate, or you can manually define your buttons by going either into the attack or defense mode and then choosing whichever button you would like to replace the task with. After pressing the button, you can choose which control you would like to switch into. After making your desired change, you can go back and your controls will be saved. You can have various different configurations with various different buttons assigned based on your desire. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.